Hey, how you doing? Anthony Domenico, RFC Restoration. How are you?
Good.
Have you guys had your property inspected from the April 11th storm yet?
Yeah, we got an estimate. Are you giving estimates?
We're actually working with, you know Mr. Anderson on the corner?
Oh, sure.
Yeah, we just started their job today. That's our yard sign,
Okay.
RFC.
Oh,
We're
right,
also working
right.
with Bill over here on the corner. That's why we stopped by. Bill said he hadn't known if you've been helped yet or not.
Right.
And we're in the area here tonight, so we're out seeing where you're at in the process.
Okay, yeah. My insurance company told me to get a few estimates, so I'd be happy if you want to give me an estimate. I'll take one.
Okay. Have you had the adjuster out yet?
No, not yet.
Oh, you haven't? Okay. Do you know when he's coming?
He's me here in about a week.
In a week, okay.
Yeah.
So you're gathering information, I get it.
Right.
So let me ask you a question. Why are you getting 3 estimates right now?
Well, my agent advised me to do that, and it sounds like the best thing to do, so
Okay.
it makes sense.
Okay. Do you know I don't know how other contractors operate, but how we operate, that's why a lot of your neighbors are using us, is we actually do the work for insurance proceeds. So we use a program called Xactimate. Have you heard of Xactimate?
No.
That's the same estimating program State Farm uses, our
Okay.
insurance company.
Right.
And it's all broken down per line and per square foot for everything from the shingles to the felt to the labor. So there really is no plus or minus. We do all the work for insurance proceeds, guarantee the property owners no out-of-pocket costs except their deductible.
That's good, because one of those estimates was really high, and I don't think...
Well, yeah, I mean, typically if I came out, like if I wrote you an estimate right now, just off our regular retail price, it would probably be 20 or 30% higher than Xactimate. But because of all the damaged properties in the area, we're trying to make it easier for all the customers and property owners because this is a catastrophe area. So we went ahead and just agreed to do all the work for State Farm Pricing, which is your carrier. And that way you don't have to finagle, you don't have any out-of-pocket costs.
Okay, so if you don't want to do an estimate today, what would you like to do?
Well, today I'd actually like to do, if this is what's really important, if your adjuster's coming out a week from now, it's real important that you make a decision on a contractor to have here for that adjustment, because when he comes out here, you might be at work, you might not be here, this guy might climb on your property. You got a big home here. That's a 10, 12 pitch roof. He might climb up on the roof in the right area, he might not, he might climb up on the garage. I mean, having a contractor here that knows, you know, I've probably been on 10 to 15 insurance adjustments in this community alone this week.
Okay.
And I've got a 95% approval rating.
Wow.
Because I know as a contractor what's damaged and what's not, how your shingles are affected, how your gutters are affected. And that's why a lot of your neighbors are going with me. So I mean, I could write an estimate, but it's much better that you select a contractor that's willing to do the work for insurance. Let me ask you a question. If you were getting heart surgery next week, let's say that adjustment was your heart surgery, right? And you could pick any doctor in town, right? Would you go get 3 estimates from 3 doctors and compare numbers? Or would you find the best doctor in town to take care of your heart surgery? That best doctor in town was saying that he'd do the work for insurance proceeds. Wouldn't you then just go to the best doctor in town?
Getting that best doctor, yeah.
That's right. So that's why I'm here. I mean, that's why we're working with all your neighbors.
Okay.
But I know a lot of people are told to get 3 estimates, get estimates. At the end of the day, you don't want to send a bunch of estimates into your insurance company. You want to find the best contractor in town that's willing to do the work for insurance proceeds. And if I can show you that I'm the best contractor in town, a lot of your neighbors have already selected us. If I can show you how I can work with your insurance adjuster, work with you, and show you through your neighbors how we do great work, then I can show you I'm the best contractor in town, and that's what's important, because I'm willing to do the work for insurance proceeds and guarantee you no out-of-pocket expense.
Okay.
So how this would start is I do the inspection today,
Okay.
so I have a full understanding on what I need to be prepared for that insurance adjuster. I want to make sure I check your windows. A lot of your neighbors got damage in their window claddings on the south and west side. I want to make sure I do a full scope on your roof, check your gutters, so that when I meet him out here next week, I have pictures, photos, satellite imagery, sub-bids if needed, anything I need to make sure that this thing goes the way it should for your client property.
So is there a charge for this inspection?
No, it's free.
All right, why don't you go up there, see what you see, and come back, tell me about the company, and then we'll see.
I know you're eating dinner in there. It's only be about 10, 15 minutes, and look, if you don't have time tonight, I come back. You know, I'm dealing with Mr. Anderson tomorrow. His roofing project's starting, so I come back here tomorrow. We can go over the photos, the inspection, and go over how we can operate and take care of this for you. Okay?
Yeah.
Excellent. Nice meeting you.
Thanks.